This man shares his wife with his best friend.
Petrus is a generous man. So generous, he arranged for his wife Kavira to have sexual relations with his best friend. This all began a year after Petrus and Kavira got married. After months of attempting to conceive, Petrus and Kavira felt that their marriage was stagnant. They wanted kids, but it seemed there was a problem. Firstly, Kavira suggested that her husband, Petrus, should sleep with other women, in which he did, but still, there were no kids. Then, they decided to go to a doctor, who informed them that Petrus is infertile. This did not hinder the couple's dream of having children, as Petrus arranged for his best friend to impregnate his wife. Initially, it was difficult persuading two parties, but eventually they came around, and now they have 3 kids.
And the wife has made sure that she does not develop feelings for this man, who has impregnated her for 3 times.
A generous man
which would
indeed.
create some more problems
So I
that
forgot
would
to
end up
mention that
destroying
this
her
is
family.
supposed to be a secret. So please, keep it a secret and don't tell anyone about it.
Time, but we have made sure it remains a secret between us. No outsider knows their secret, not even close neighbors like Kasereka. I'm glad I helped my friend, and he's now a happy father. And I think what we did has remained as a secret for both.